if you get confused as to where the vocal starts, again, go to YouTube, find the original vocal, see where it sits on the beat, right? This is what you've got to think about. This is what confuses people a lot, is where the start point of the vocal is. If you don't get that right, none of this technique will work, okay? Oh, I gotta be with you, gotta be with you, gotta be with you. I gotta be with you. So that means here, that starts as I've gotta be. I wanna be with you, gotta be with you. So let's put it to with you. This is where it starts. With you, gotta be with you, need to be with you. Now let's get right up to there. With you, gotta be with you, need to be with you, gotta be with you. Did. Next thing to do, warp is off. We're now gonna put the metronome on. And we're going to move the tempo of Ableton until it fits with the tempo of the vocal. Okay, this is how we're going to find out what the tempo of the vocal is. Then we can press warp and it will then be in time with the track.